Welcome to the Bodhi Academy. My name is Amisha Plaso, and in today's beginner video we'll learn about states of matter in a given closed system. Okay, so now here we have various atoms or molecules. So we have the neon molecules, argon, oxygen and water. So these three are in gaseous state and water is in its liquid state. Okay, so here we have the cylinder which has a attached thermometer here, and this is the heat provider. So now we'll see what happens as we gradually increase the temperature. So these are all the neon molecules. Okay, so currently they are in gaseous state. So what you see here is that in the gaseous state there is barely any kind of attraction that is happening. Okay, so the forces of attraction are very less in case of gaseous state. Now if I try to reduce this temperature, the temperature is reducing. So here what we have seen now, the forces are more in the solid state, as in now they are in the condensed state. So therefore here the forces of attraction are comparatively much higher than in case of gaseous state. Now in liquid state what we see that there is some force of interaction or attraction that is happening, but it is relatively less in case of liquid state. Next we have the argon molecules. So now they are in the solid state. Okay, so there is forces of attraction are more in case of the solid state. Now we increase the temperature. So as we increase the temperature, they will go into the gaseous phase, and we can see that the forces of attraction are very less. Okay, they are colliding with each other, but they are comparatively very less collision that is happening. Similar way, now we reduce the temperature, again they will go in the solid state where forces of attraction are more. Next we have oxygen. So now here again it is in solid state. In liquid state there is enough forces of attraction that are acting upon. In oxygen you notice that two molecules are bound together. Why is it? Because oxygen is known as O2. So in that case you can see these two oxygen atoms are bound together to depict the presence of O2. In gaseous state we have a very less forces of attraction that are acting upon it. But here what you see, the kinetic energy is very high. As the heat is increased, the kinetic energy is very high and they are in fast moving speed. Last we have water molecules. So water molecules, now this is in solid state, so their forces of attraction are more because they are tightly packed together. Okay, now if I go to the liquid state, the temperature is increased here, and you see that the forces of attraction are relatively less in case of the liquid state. Now finally we have the gaseous state. Again, that also in that the forces of attraction are very less in the gaseous state. Okay, so that was it for today's video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Bodhi Academy.